Hi everybody, welcome. Today we are making a fall classic, some fall sangria. Yeah, sangria is not just for summer. It's great for fall or winter too. So let's make that real quick. And it's got some really cool stuff in it. It's got some cinnamon whiskey, some apple brandy, a little of your favorite Pinot Grigio, or Moscato would even work. I would just recommend a sweeter wine like I have in here. And then one of your favorite apple beverages. But first, let's get together on some of our stuff that's gonna go into the pitcher with the sweet wine. I've got a little orange. We're gonna cut some orange slices. So we're gonna put some of those in there, right into our pot. And then we're also gonna put some apple slices in there. And I've got a nice honey crisp here. And I'm just saving on the side here a couple little pieces to go in each of our glasses too. So I'm gonna put that apple in there, right into our pitcher with all the other stuff. We're gonna put also pears. So today I've got my choice of pears. I got a couple. I've got regular Bartlett. I've also got an Asian pear, which is a little bit more crunchy like an apple. Any kind of pear will do. Gonna save a couple of those pieces there on the side. Also, little rosemary. And I'm just gonna pop a couple of those fresh sprigs in there. Just smells so great, right? So we're gonna put some of that in there. And then we're going to empty our cider beer in there. And we've also got about a quarter cup of cinnamon whiskey and about a quarter cup of apple brandy going in there. And we'll give that a little stir to help that marinate around a little bit. And look at the color of that. That looks just like this time of year, doesn't it? Now, I would let that set for a few minutes, and then all those flavors will come together. And then when you're ready to serve, it's real easy. Just put a little bit of ice into each cup, and you can pour a little bit of your sangria into the glass. And I've got a little extra garnish to go in, just to remind people what's in the sangria. Our apples, pears, all of that. I can also put a cinnamon clove in and an extra sprig of rosemary. And this cocktail is ready for some fall sipping. So enjoy that. Fall sangria, not just for summer, perfect for this time of year. If you want more information on culinary management, go to cvtc.edu and check out culinary management. Thanks for watching. We appreciate you very much.